Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make or get woman in Infinity Craft. Let's get started. First things first. Get earth on the main screen. Then you have to add wind to it. When you do that, it will make dust. Then you have to add earth to it. When you do that, it will make planet. Then you have to take wind on other side. Then you have to add fire to it. When you do that, it will make smoke. Then you have to add water to it. When you do that, it will make fog. Then combine fog with planet. When you do that, it will make Venus. Then remove Venus from the screen. Now we are halfway done. Then go to the other. Take water. Then you have to add fire to it. When you do that, it will make steam. Then you have to add earth to it. When you do that, it will make mud. Then you have to add Venus to it. When you do that, it will make Adam. Then you have to add earth to it. When you do that, it will make man. Then you have to go to the other side. Take Venus. Then you have to add fog to it. When you do that, it will make love. Now the last step is to add love with man. When you do that, it will make woman. Voila! And that's how you make woman in Infinite Craft. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Infinite Craft videos. Thanks for watching.